Diwali is just over and we are craving for Indian food. We chanced upon this place called Himalayan Chimney with good biryani and naan. We went there 2 times. For the first time, we tried the biryani and the cheese naan. The biryani rice is soft, moist and fluffy. It is quite spicy but not to those well-spiced biryani or the best biryani I've ever had. But the good thing is there's beef, chicken and shrimp biryani instead of only one flavor. The cheese naan is cheesy, soft and fluffy. I quite like it. And we are surprised to find green looking chicken called Hariyari chicken kebab. It looks so green because it's marinated with spinach and mint leaf. If you visit Himalayan Chimney, you must try their Himalayan Chimney naan. On the menu, it describes as naan with filling of onion, chicken tikka and garlic. However, it does taste some seafood umami to me. I really like it. I've never tasted any naan like this before, so I definitely recommend everyone to try this if you visit this store. Stream Malai curry is definitely authentic and we really miss the taste of curry. You should also try this lime soda as it is very refreshing. So after taking lunch here, we take away the mixed biryani for dinner. One portion is really good for 2 person. Please remember to subscribe if you like my video. The cat is meowing off. Bye!